Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Weaver Spirit and Spirit 2 300 series premium grill cover. Heavy duty it is, and of course waterproof. It fits a grill width up to 50 inches. It's also on the market with the 200 series. If you have a 2-burner, you will buy the 200 series. If you have 3 burners like me, you have to buy the 300 series device here. UV inhibitors in fabric resist fading. Breathable and water resist to help protect the grill from the elements. And fastening straps keeps the cover in place. Material is polyester. It fits on the Spirit 300 and Spirit 2 300 series gas grills. We have here a black cover, which looks really cool. Oh yeah, and we can embrace the elements with that. Easy peasy. And here is protect our Spirit grill from the elements with this premium grill cover. Individual carton dimensions are 25 to 10 to 18 centimeters. As you can see, it's really small. And it comes from Weber Incorporated. This is an American manufacturer of charcoal, gas, and electric outdoor grills and related accessories. It also owns restaurants and published cookbooks. The company was family-owned until it sold a majority stake to BDT Capital Partners in 2010. In 2021, it became a public trade company until it was taken private by BDT Capital Partners, which purchased all remaining outstanding stocks in 2023. Weber Stephen was originally incorporated on May 8, 1893 as Weber Bros Metalworks. In 1951, the original round charcoal kettle grill was built by George Stevens Sr., a then part owner of the sheet metal shop in Chicago, who thought to improve on brazier he had been using to cook with at home. The grill was produced using 2 sheet metals. Half 3 are normally used as a part of boilers built in shops. Shortly thereafter, he began selling the invention, which he called George Barbecue Kettle, for which there was considerable demand. One of the early nicknames of the grill was Sputnik, because the grill became so successful after he began selling in 1952. Stephen formed the barbecue division of the barbecue Weber Brothers factory in the latest 1950s. Stephen bought out the Weber Brothers factory and became the sole owner, devoting all his professional time to manufacturing and selling the Weber kettle. Soon thereafter, Stephen changed the company's name to Weber Stephen Product Corporated. The Weber Stephen Company manufactures and sells outdoor electric grills, charcoal grills, gas grills, and, of course, outdoor grills too. And if you have such a grill, and he has to be outdoor because it's an outdoor grill, you can protect this grill by using this Weber Spirit series premium grill cover by Weber. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.